The automotive sector drives Australia's skills economy, yet delivering AUR training is challenging. It requires workshop-ready resources that reflect real industry practice. With 28 qualifications available right now and 20 rolling out next, VET Resources covers almost the entire AUR training package, Australia's largest catalog. The largest AUR catalog in Australia. A hands-on, practical focus tasks replicate real industry processes, from job cards to service reports. Resources developed with industry experts, shaped by SMEs, trainers, and assessors. Observation checklists with observable behaviors, ensuring consistent assessor judgments. Trainer insights built in, so assessments reflect how workshops and classrooms really operate. Plain English instructions for trainers and learners to follow step by step. Interactive SCORM packages with quizzes, simulations, and activities for engaging e-learning. Audit-ready mapping to elements, performance criteria, foundation skills, knowledge and performance evidence, and assessment conditions. SRTO's 2025 alignment, designed to support the principles of assessment and rules of evidence. And complete supporting materials, project briefs, third-party reports, session plans, PowerPoints, logbooks, and marking guides. Every resource is developed with industry experts and RTO trainers, so your delivery mirrors the real workshop environment. Fully mapped, industry-aligned, and built to meet the new standards.
What are you waiting for? Request your free AUR samples today from VET Resources. Get in touch with us today.